welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make Maida curd bondalu. For that, 1 full cup of Maida, 3/4 cup of curd, half tablespoon of Zeera, add little bit of water and mix the mixture. Now add half tablespoon of salt and mix it. The batter should be like this as shown in the video, and wait for 1 hour to make the bonda. After 1 hour, now boil the oil and make the bondas as shown in the video. Add the mixture into the oil. After the bondas was boiled, it becoming golden brown color. Take it into a plate. Now Maida bondas was ready. You can serve it with chutney, onion pieces and green chilies.